What is up, ladies and gentlemen, all 20 of you that watch my videos? We got Katie out here, we got Kane, and we got me. We're out here playing some golf. We're like 3 or 4 holes in, and we are sucking absolute ass. Booty crack. But it's okay, we're having fun. So, Kane's about to hit this. Let's see how he does. 180, par 3. He actually hit it pretty decently. He's gonna be up there on the left edge, just off of it.
Putting his tee in for the shot. Using an iron of some sort. 7 iron of sorts.
It's a 7 iron.
7 iron. Looking at his approach here.
Alright. Guess I'm just gonna have to put it on the green.
Kane Austin, Katie Cole. Your announcers for today.
A little bit off to the right.
Man, that's garbage.
It's garbage. It is what it is.
Alright. Now Katie's got to hit it.
So bad.
I've just never been that good at golf. I was good for like 1 year in high school. And now I'm back to being booty cheeks.
Watch out for the alligator coming onto the course here.
I hate this. Yep, into the water.
Katie,
Right where you want it.
It's a state golfer right here. Oh my goodness. That is minty. Is it gonna stay in? Yeah, it's gonna stay in. Woo! No, I didn't. I was talking about the holes.
oh.
Are y'all dropping with me or what?
Yeah.
Look at how great this is.
Yeah, we're dropping with you. We're garbage. It's Katie's second shot, approach shot. About 100 out.
Oh!
Look at that shot.
Swing
Told
in
you not
on
to
it.
bring the camera out.
Swing.
If I did it again, it'd be pretty great.
Well, that's all right. This T-Daddy's here with the 56 wedge. We hit it about 3 feet in front.
And it is all the way left.
Headache!
Okay, here we go.
He's gonna be closer than all of us.
Listen,
It is what it is.
Oh,
Here's
he's gonna
what it
stop
is.
just short.
It's just short.
Well, nobody made it on, so we're going to our third shot.
Par 5, man. Par 5.
It's a par 4, but
Par 4.
I like the enthusiasm. No, I like the enthusiasm. Wow.
Swing and a miss. Damn it, bro.
Now, if you thought you were bad at golf, you should play with us, because we're terrible. Literally terrible. So now we're going to start this thing where we're doing playground insults every time somebody steps up to the tee. So whenever Kane steps up to the tee here, me and Katie are going to roast him with some very harmless insults. So,
You ready?
let's start. You smell like a light pole.
your mom sucks ass.
You were telling kids in the 3rd grade your mom sucks ass?
No, I didn't even know that.
What kind of shoes are those, Tristan?
Stupid ones. Ooh, roasted.
$20 champion shoes.
So thought.
Is that your roast?
That's just facts. They're bad shoes. I ain't hating, but I'm sure you can spend more than $20 on some shoes.
These shoes are like 5 years old.
Yeah, I thought I seen those back when I was on the playground.
That one really got to him.
Roast them, Katie.
Your breath stink.
I'm done. I'm walking to my ball. My breath's deep. I'm gonna go cry.
Did your mom pick out your outfit? Because it sure does look like it. You're a nice guy. Great outfit.
Yeah.
He went straight
Into the woods.
into somebody's. Go, 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 go.
Are you about to swing?
You smell like a
smell
flea.
fish.
We both did. You smelled it. I said.
Y'all are unoriginal.
I said you smell like a flea. That's pretty original. And then
That
Kane
is
said you
pretty-
smell like a fish.
Pretty. Alright, so
Oh, yeah.
You smell like a fool.
Yeah. For the record, I don't know what a flea smells like.
talk that out.
I'm just guessing it smells
Well, my
something
son's
like
better than
that.
both of y'all's, so
Katie smells like oatmeal.
that wasn't gonna be good anyway. I'm behind a fucking stump.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. Would you mind washing all of our balls? Everybody give Katie our balls. Oh.
Balls of them all.
Pretty sure they're not the same.
I've got big balls. You know that song?
Oh fuck.
Oh, well. So much for cleaning it.
No, it was mine.
No.
Holy shit. My balls dropped.
What is happening with you right? Are you having a stroke? You're built like a donkey stable.
Do a donkey steak?
Donkey stable?
Oh.
A donkey steak?
Alright, I'm gonna,
All right. Well, Kane has to walk 20 feet and he'll get to his.
I'm gonna be teeing off.
You want to get in a fight with somebody on the golf course?
Yeah, where's Kendall? Your hair looks like my dog's.
I think I was a little far.
No pressure. You were in theater.
God.
Oh my god, why do I suck so much ass?
I mean, if that's your thing, it's your thing.
Kane playing a second shot. He's lucky he got past these lady tees. Otherwise, he'd have to play the hole. Yeah, you have to play the hole with your pants dropped.
Here's what it is.
That rule will be enforced after this. So give us an update. How's golf going for us right now? Katie, you first.
I want to die.
She wants to die. All right, Kane.
I'm feeling like this golfing thing. I'm slowly starting to pick it up. Getting them more on the fairway. I think if it's called the fairway. About to go out here and drive for at least 300 and then finish it up with the nice like 160 or whatever we got on here. I don't know where the card is. Oh yeah, good 300 and then finish it with a 70 there.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we are at another par 3. Tristan's got his pitching wedge. Going for a straight shot right at the flag.
I didn't know you were recording. Oh, he's gonna be within 5 feet.
At least. That actually was not bad. A little to the right. Hey,
Out there, though. The chip away.
she's up.
That's what I like to see. This is a new one I brought out today. Breaking out that 6 iron.
6 iron.
Okay.
Having
Put it through their window. What'd you say? I said you're good looking. Okay. Step, bro. Step, Kane. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Hit a rock.
He is on the road.
even laugh.
Off to the right. Yeah. You're on 8.
Oh.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
I hated that.
Katie is single, ladies and gentlemen. She is
Very
looking.
single. She watches videos on TikTok about people being in relationships and she cries.
She is looking for a happy male to plant his seed in her so they can have
That's-
children.
No, not the plan.
Oh, it's got to get up.
Short as fuck. Just like Kendall Garvin.
Oh. If he ever watches this, which he probably won't. If you do, Kendall, she's taking digs at you, man. You got to do something about that. Kane is way over there across the road from our tee box back there. Katie came up just short on this hill. She's gonna go ahead and chip it up. Let me get this close up. Let me get this. Yeah. Yeah, get this shit. Dang. Kane, what are you doing over there? What? Oh, he's looking at the birds. Meanwhile, I landed pinned high, just 20 yards to the right. What am I gonna take here? I don't know. Might try and bump and run it with a pitching wedge or a 7-iron. We'll see. You wanna try and bump it with a pitching wedge?
You see where my putt is? It was not a bad putt.
Release.
Oh, she's turning in.
Well,
not bad.
Not bad. Katie's over there playing sex songs while all these old people are walking around on the course. But there's a cute dog right there. What the hell is wrong with you playing these sex songs right here?
Go.
I have been thinking about heading to the PGA. It's not confirmed yet, you know, they're still checking some things out, but I'm working on it. So let's just go ahead, make this 10-footer for par, and get to it. Well, okay. Fucking son of a...
Please don't. Stop. Ow. You son of a bitch.
Oh my god. Great. Katie, how do you feel right now? How do you feel right now? Oh my god.